Hey guys, this is a super cool one. Jane is here from South Africa, traveling almost 10,000 kilometers to get here. She went from long hair to her silver gray journey. It's time for a haircut. You ready for it?
I am.
Are you guys ready for it? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, let me know what you think of this. Follow her. It's mentioned in the description as well. And see you at the end.
Yo!
You have a mullet. Here we go. So much better already. So how is it to finally be here then?
Absolutely fantastic. It is so.
Is it like stepping into an Instagram story?
It is just like stepping into an Instagram story. But I've followed you for so long, and here I am.
I always have to laugh at people that say, "Oh, it's so cool to be here."
It is so cool.
I'm here every day, so it feels so normal.
And there's so many things you see when you walk in that you don't see on Instagram.
That's true.
But don't show too much. People have to come here and experience it for themselves.
Yeah, listen to all the stories.
Yeah. Look how much better it's looking already.
Yeah, you can really see the difference, right?
I can.
If you check out this side and this side.
It's
Wait,
amazing.
I don't know if I can do it like this. If you check out this side and this side, it's so different. You almost threatened me to use a number 5 only. I think we can do something cooler though.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, I'm not going to tell you what I'm using. I'm just going to show them.
I love a surprise.
No, you don't. I sure hope you're going to like this as much as I do. Now I can show you, I guess. See?
Oh, wow. Okay. It looks scary.
It is. No, not at all. Her husband is here as well to shoot some video of it for her own Instagram and socials, and maybe I can steal some as well. But sometimes you might see something in the mirror or reflecting.
You really are a master craftsman.
You haven't seen the end result, you know?
I'm just in awe. I've never had anybody cut my hair like this before, ever.
Ready for the scary part? It's not that bad.
So they think you're so talented, but they're like, I thought you were growing out your hair. You don't go and see Renee when you're growing your hair. I went, no, I am. I've actually picked up a couple of Dutch followers since I've mentioned you. I'm going to meet one tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah. But to be fair, I was following her beforehand.
Which one's this?
This is where I'm getting nervous.
You shouldn't. It's gonna be okay. I got you.
You prefer standing, you don't
I
prefer
always
sitting
stand,
around, do
yeah.
you?
The only time I sit is when I cut a bob with a very sharp sharp line in there. Then you have to sit behind somebody on eye level, because else you'll be like this for 45 minutes.
Okay,
and,
yeah.
You know, I'm not 18 anymore, so that hurts my back.
Okay.
The most fun part is you have to try and pronounce the brand.
Gladkers.
Almost.
Gladkers.
No, there's a J in there.
Gladjakkers.
Almost.
Gladjakkers.
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 See?
Gladjakkers.
Don't use too much, just the pea size. It's more than enough. And you can just put it in there. Always start in the back. Never in the front, because then you'll fill up the whole fringe and it's all sticky and gooey. There's nothing left for the rest. Always start here. Don't forget your crown area. Keep it nice and tamed. And when it's a little windy out, you can just restyle it and it looks good as well. And just use the tips of your fingers. There's still stuff here. Spread it again and then use that for the sides. But make sure to spread it thoroughly and don't have it all in one place.
Okay.
Still smiling?
Still smiling.
Voila. Now I'm sure it's on. There you go.
Wow. I love it.
Thank God.
Oh, Renee. It's perfect. Just like I asked. Wow, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Sorry, I get quite emotional.
It's from stress relief.
You think it's stress relief? Wow.
There you go.
You are so talented.
Don't make me blush.
Oh gosh, it's so amazing.
That's it, we're done. Such a cool change. Here's the before and the after. I hope you're happy with it. Was it worth flying all the way over here?
It was definitely worth flying for, and I'll be back.
Oh, that's gonna be so cool next time. We're gonna do like a part 2. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit all the buttons. Follow Jane as well. And well, I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, perfect.